Hello everyone, welcome back to Aspire Academy. So I hope you guys have understood chapter number 1, and today we are going to start with chapter number 2, that is your structure of atom. Okay, this chapter belongs to your inorganic chemistry where we mostly deal about metals, non-metals, okay, where we deal about all these things. Understood? So here there is no basic core portion of organic, or much numerical is also not there. Okay, so this is a very important chapter. I hope you guys will understand as we move on. Okay, so our chapter naam to ki hoy, the name of our chapter is structure of atom. By the name we can understand that yate ki hoy ase, here we will learn about the structure of our atom. Okay, we will learn the different hypotheses given by different scientists for determining the structure of atom. Okay, so let us quickly move on to our first topic, that is our cathode ray. Okay, so I hope you guys know about cathode ray, little bit about cathode ray. So cathode ray pora ki hoise, so from cathode ray we got what? It was a discovery of the electron. From our cathode ray we could discovery of electron was done. Bujhisa? Okay, cathode ray discovery of electron. Discovery of our what? Of our electron. Okay, discovery of electron. तो फिर यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं इसमें क्या है discovery of electron में. So first we need to make a small diagram. Okay, तो हम वो diagram बनाते हैं एक साथ. Okay, so this is our tube, cathode. Okay, cathode, its voltage is, you guys also make along with me, 10,000 volts. This is our vacuum pump. Okay. Gas at low pressure. Invisible ray, cathode ray. Ray, cathode. Ray. Okay, this is the diagram. Make this and then we will write the next paragraph. After that we will understand it. Okay, so हम करते हैं इसके corresponding में क्या होगा. You just pause the video and write. Okay, so in 1859. Okay, in 1859, ये 1859 का बात है. Just imagine it's 2023 now, and so many thousand years back in 1859 electron was discovered. Okay, in 1859 Julius Plucker, Julius Julius Plucker, this is the name of the scientist. Okay, to ki hoy kune hoy scientist, started the study of conduction of conduction, okay, of electricity. Okay, he started what? The study of electricity, conduction of electricity at low pressure. Electricity at low pressure, through gas at low pressure. Okay, through gas at low pressure. through gas at low pressure. Okay, through gas at low pressure. Okay, through gas at low pressure में start किया था in a discharge tube. In a discharge tube. Okay, in a discharge tube start किया था. उसके बाद की हॉल in a discharge tube when high voltage of the order, when high voltage of the order 10,000 volts or more. Okay, 10,000 volts or more was impressed across the electrode, some sort of invisible rays. Okay, some sort of what? Some sort of invisible rays. Some sort of invisible rays moved from negative electrode to positive electrode. Moved from negative electrode. Okay, moved from negative electrode to positive electrode. To positive electrode. Okay, moved from negative electrode to positive electrode. Understood? Since negative electrode is referred to as cathode, since negative electrode is referred to as cathode, is referred to as cathode, these rays were called cathode rays. Okay, these rays were called what? They were called cathode rays. Okay, so यहाँ पे हमें क्या समझ आया? What could we टेल फ्रॉम हेयर कैथोड रे से? तो 1859 में क्या हुआ था? इन 1859 जूलियस प्लकर स्टार्टेड द स्टडी ऑफ कंडक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ठीक है, द हाउ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट्स, उसके बारे में जूलियस प्लकर स्टार्टेड टू स्टडी थ्रू गैस एट लो टेम्परेचर. ओके, एट वेरी लो टेम्परेचर in gaseous medium he was trying to study of conduction of electricity. Okay, in a discharge tube means what? This type of tube. Okay, तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ? In a discharge tube, after that when high voltage of the order किमान 10,000 volts or more. Okay, when high voltage was given. Okay, when high voltage was given, then what happened? Or more was pressed across the electrode, some sort of invisible rays. When this much voltage was given, some sort of invisible rays could be seen. Okay, invisible rays move from negative electrode to the positive electrode. Meaning क्या है? This is the negative electrode. Okay, from the negative electrode to the positive electrode, here some sort of ray was flowing. Okay, understood? Some sort of ray was flowing. Okay, since negative electrode is referred to as what? Cathode. Okay, negative electron को हम cathode कहते हैं. Therefore these rays were called what? Therefore these rays were called cathode rays. Understood? Therefore what? Therefore these rays were called what? Cathode rays. Now further, what do we have here? Properties of cathode ray. Okay, we need to know the properties of cathode ray. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? We will see the properties of cathode rays. Okay, हम देखेंगे क्या? We will see the properties of cathode rays. Okay, तो फिर The first property is they travel in straight lines. Okay, क्या है? They travel straight lines. They traveled in straight lines. Okay, they traveled in straight lines away from cathode, away from cathode. Okay, away from cathode with very high velocity, with very high velocity. Okay, with very high velocity ranging from 10 to the power 7 to 10 to the power 9 मीटर पर सेकेंड. ओके, इसका मतलब क्या है? दे ट्रेवल्ड इन स्ट्रेट लाइन्स अवे फ्रॉम कैथोड. तो फिर क्या होता है? दे वे ट्रेवलिंग इन स्ट्रेट लाइन्स, राइट? एज यू कैन सी हेयर, दे वे ट्रेवलिंग इन स्ट्रेट लाइन्स अवे फ्रॉम कैथोड मीन्स कैथोड से इस तरफ जा रहा था, राइट? दिस यू कैन सी अवे फ्रॉम कैथोड. आफ्टर दैट अवे फ्रॉम कैथोड विथ वेरी हाई वेलोसिटी रेंजिंग फ्रॉम, वेरी हाई वेलोसिटी मीन्स बहुत स्पीड से जा रहा था. एंड व्हाट वाज इट्स वेलोसिटी? इट्स वेलोसिटी क्या की असेल? 10 टू द पावर 7 टू 10 टू द पावर 9 मीटर पर सेकेंड. বুঝিছা? তাৰপিছত কি হ'ব? নেক্সট পইণ্ট ইজ এ শ্যাডো অফ মেটালিক অবজেক্ট. ওকে, সেকেন্ড পইণ্ট ইজ এ শ্যাডো of metallic object. Okay, shadow of metallic object placed in the path, placed in the path is cast on the wall opposite to cathode. Then next point is what we will see. point board ki hoy, they produce green glow when strike the glass wall metal. When strike the glass wall matter, then light is emitted. Okay, light is emitted when they strike the zinc sulfide screen. ओके, इसका मतलब क्या है? हमने वहाँ पे एक जिंक सल्फाइड स्क्रीन को रख दिया. ओके, वी हैव प्लेस्ड ए जिंक सल्फाइड स्क्रीन हियर. तो उसके बाद क्या होता है? तो जिंक सल्फाइड स्क्रीन रखने से क्या होता है? ए शेडो ऑफ मेटेलिक ऑब्जेक्ट प्लेस्ड इन द पाथ विच मीन्स जिंक सल्फाइड स्क्रीन वी हैव प्लेस्ड. ओके, इज कास्ट ऑन द वॉल ऑपोजिट टू द कैथोड. कैथोड के ऑपोजिट में हमने जिंक सल्फाइड का स्क्रीन रख दिया. तो वहाँ पे क्या होता है? दे प्रोड्यूस ग्रीन ग्लो. तो फिर क्या होता है? जब वहाँ से when our cathode ray is being वो जो जब जाके वो strike कर रहा है. ओके, we have our suppose zinc sulfide screen. तो when the cathode ray is getting here, so they are producing a greenish glow. Okay, they are producing a what? They are producing a greenish glow. Okay, when strike the wall matter, light is emitted when they strike zinc sulfide screen. Okay, that is a greenish light is emitted when they strike the zinc sulfide screen. Okay, understood? Now next point ki hoil, yate ki hoy ase next point to hoil, when the small pin. Okay, when a small pin will, number 4 point is when a small pin will Okay, when a small pinwheel 10.0 is placed is placed in their path, the blades of the wheel are set in motion. Okay, are set in motion. তাৰপিছত thus the cathode rays consist of material particles which have mass and velocity, ओके तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन है. तो व्हाट इज इट सेइंग? इट इज सेइंग दैट व्हेन स्मॉल पिन व्हील इज ऑफ, मतलब जो हमने वहाँ पे जिंक सल्फाइड रखा था वहाँ पे एक पिन भी रख दिया अभी, ठीक है. एक पिन इज प्लेस्ड इन देयर पाथ, द ब्लेड्स ऑफ द व्हील आर सेट इन मोशन. तो जब व्हेन व्हाट इज इट, दिस वाज आवर थिंग, राइट. हियर वी हैव प्लेस्ड ए जिंक सल्फाइड सपोज. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, जिंक सल्फाइड का suppose this is the zinc sulfide that was placed. Okay, now we have placed a pin here. Okay, pin. Okay, somewhat mechanism is like इसको हवा मिलने से ये घूमेगा type. Okay, so a pin was placed. Now after the pin was placed, what happened? ओके, तो आफ्टर द पिन वॉज प्लेड व्हाट हैपेंड, द ब्लेड्स ऑफ द व्हील आर सेट इन मोशन. तो जब हमने पिन को रखा तब वो ब्लेड क्या हुआ, ऑफ द पिन आर सेट इन मोशन, वैसा ऐसा घूमने लगा. देयरफॉर व्हेन वो जब घूमने लगा तब हमें पता चला कि कैथोड रे कंसिस्ट ऑफ मटेरियल पार्टिकल, विच मीन्स दैट कैथोड रे हैज़ वेलोसिटी. तो हमें पता ही चला दे ऑल्सो हैज़ मास. ओके, देयरफॉर वी गुड टू नो दैट कैथोड रे हैज़ मास एंड कैथोड रे हैज़ वेलोसिटी. ओके, आफ्टर दिस व्हाट हैपेंड? Okay, from here we could say that cathode ray have mass and cathode ray have velocity. Okay, now the next point is what? Next point is they are deflected by electric and magnetic field. Now when electric and magnetic field is given, they are deflected. Okay, वो दूसरा एंगल दूसरा ऐसे जा रहा था सपोज, तो वो ऐसे जाने लगा. Okay, तो फिर क्या है, we can say that they are deflected. They are deflected. Okay, they are deflected by electric and magnetic field. Okay, done. After that when they are passed, okay, when the rays are passed, when the rays are passed, okay, when the rays are passed between two electrically charged charged प्लेट्स. तो हमने क्या किया, वहाँ पे दो चार्ज प्लेट्स रख दिया, एक में पॉजिटिव चार्ज, एक में नेगेटिव चार्ज. तब क्या होता है, चार्ज प्लेट्स दीज rays were deflected towards positive charge, after that towards positive charge. After that what happens, it shows that it shows that cathode rays carry negative charge. These particles carrying negative charge were called negatrons. Okay, were called negatrons by Thomson. Okay, these were called negatrons by Thomson. Understood? So basically यही से start आया क्या हमारा जो negative charge था. So what happened is that when this negative charge, so what happened, they deflected by the electric and magnetic field. Deflect हो रहा था when the rays are passed between electrically charged plates. एक positive charge negative charge plate से जब pass हो रहा था, these rays were deflected towards the positive charge. तो फिर क्या हो रहा था, ये positive charge की तरफ जा रहा था. इसलिए जा रहा था क्योंकि वो खुद नेगेटिव चार्ज था. ठीक है, नेगेटिव विल अट्रैक्ट टुवर्ड्स पॉजिटिव. तो इट शोज दैट कैथोड रेज कैरी व्हाट चार्ज, कैरी नेगेटिव चार्ज. दिस पार्टिकल कैरी नेगेटिव चार्ज वेर कॉल्ड व्हाट, नेगाट्रॉन्स. बाय होम, बाय थॉमसन. ओके, यही था हमारा इलेक्ट्रॉन. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट हमें की होबो पड़े. The same negatron was called electron by, okay, these negatrons were called electron by whom? By Stoney, S-T-O-N-E-Y, scientist. Okay, but he called these negatrons as electron. He said that these negatrons are electrons. Okay, after that तो ये electrons क्या कर रहा था, they produced heat energy. Okay, they produced what? They produced heat energy when they produce heat energy when they collide with matter. Okay, they produce heat energy when they collide with matter. This shows that this electron had kinetic energy. Okay, kinetic energy क्या होता है, collide करके energy produce करता है. तो this signifies that they had what? They had kinetic energy as well. Okay, now next point is what? Cathode rays these rays were affected by the photoelectric plate. Okay, they were affected by photoelectric plate. Now we will see measurement for electron. Now we will see electron का मेजरमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इमान बेसी ना लगे, हमें इमान डिटेल जब ना लगे, जस्ट बेसिक चीज़. हाँ, तो फिर क्या है इलेक्ट्रॉन. तो देख लिया कहाँ से इलेक्ट्रॉन का जन्म हुआ था, कहाँ से आया था इलेक्ट्रॉन. ये तो तुम्हें बुझी सा आइडिया. नाउ वी विल जस्ट सी इलेक्ट्रॉन. ओके, बेसिक थिंग. J.J. Thomson in 1897. Okay, in 1897 what happened? J.J. Thomson determined the charge by mass ratio. Of electron. Okay, of electron. This is E by M. Okay, of electron by studying deflection of cathode rays. Okay, by studying deflection of cathode rays, J.J. Thomson ने E by mass ratio को निकाला था, and that came to be E by M आया था 1 minus 1.7588 into 10 to the power 8 coulomb per gram. Coulomb per gram. Okay, this was what was फाउंड फॉर आवर व्हाट, फॉर आवर इलेक्ट्रॉन। अभी क्या है, अभी हमारा मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, ओके, मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन वाज मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन कैसे निकाला था, मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन वाज m इक्वल टू ई बाई एम। ई का वैल्यू है -1.602 इंटू 10⁻⁻19 बाई -1.7588 इंटू 10⁸ इज इक्वल टू 9.1096 इंटू 10⁻⁻28 ग्राम। Okay, this was found to be what? This was found to be the mass of an electron. Done. This was what? This was found to be mass of an electron. Okay. इन दिस मैनर ऐसे ही करके हमारा प्रोटॉन और न्यूट्रॉन भी डिस्कवर्ड हुआ था। सो दैट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर अस, ये इतना भी ज़रूरी नहीं है। ओके, दैट इज़ नॉट सो मच इम्पॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम फॉर अस, लाइक उसका हिस्ट्री जानना। ओके, सो हमें ये पता चल गया मास ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रॉन इज दिस मच। सो बेसिकली एक एटम में क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंट, व्हाट आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स इन एटम, दैट इज आवर व्हाट, इलेक्ट्रॉन, then we have what, proton, then we have what, neutron, right? So this is where our real chapter starts. Okay, तो हम अभी देखेंगे एटम, Dalton's atomic theory, various theories given by what, various theories given by our scientists. Okay, so that we will do in our next class. I hope you guys have understood what I have explained to you, and in our next class we will go into the details of understanding structure of atom. उसी में ही हमारा मेन क्लास स्टार्ट होगा। दिस वाज जस्ट इंट्रोडक्टरी लाइट पोर्शन जो हमने किया है। So yeah, till then study nicely, take care, and see you in our next class. Thank you.